Hi guys, it's me Hajra Vadhariya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with another hijab and niqab tutorial. You guys loved my previous one, so I'm back with it. So today we'll be doing two looks, which from which one is a little formal, one is a little casual, like according to me. But totally you can rock both the looks in any way you like. It is not any hard and fast rule. I absolutely love these two looks myself, and I just feel very comfortable in it. I hope you guys will like it too. So we're starting with the first one. For this you need a lace cap, which is something like this one. I'm wearing a purple cap to go with my look. You can use any one that you like. This is a black one that I'm showing you, and this is how you will wear it on your head. And then you need a half niqab which comes with a rubber tie, which is something like this one as you see, and obviously a scarf on top. So this is the niqab. I'm showing you properly so that you guys can understand. Now I get all of my scarves, abaya, niqabs, caps, everything from either from Saudi Arabia or from Dubai. So yeah, but Modest Closet is a really good page for abayas though. Now what I have done is I have put my scarf on my head, and then from one side I have measured that I'll be turning it all around my head, so how much I want from one side, so I'll keep that. And from the other side, which is the plain side with no border, I'm gonna attach it on my left shoulder and cover my entire front body. That is how I feel really comfortable. So I will do that using a safety pin. I'm gonna tie I'll be pinning the pin on the corner, and then I will be tying it on my left shoulder from the inside of my abaya, so that doesn't seems like I've put it on top. And then as you can see, it's all covered. Now the part that I had measured and kept, which is on my left shoulder, I will be turning it around. So I've slipped and turned over my scarf from my head, as you can see, and we made a point in the middle. Now I'm using these scarf pins, and I'll be securing from both the sides of my scarf, as you see, making like sort of plates. And I'll be putting the pin, and I'll be pinning the niqab with it. This look is done using this niqab, and the other look is using the other sort of niqab. So yeah, now I'm doing the same thing with the other side. As you see, carefully, do not hurt yourself. Just spinning it tightly. I use a couple more pins, I know, but I want everything to be super secure, and I feel comfortable not worrying about something's going here or there. Just was enjoying a little music. But yeah, so the part that I had left, which has the border, now I'm gonna just take it from the bottom of my niqab, and I'm gonna turn it all over the head like we usually do with scarves. And I'm gonna place the border according to my choice and style, anything according to your preference. You can, if you have a border, or if you don't, it's all in use. If you have a border, you can just attach it either further, either in the middle, or more at the back, as you prefer. So I have kind of put it in the center, not too much at the back, but later I will be putting it at the back because I felt it would look better, much better at the back. Now I'm taking this pin off from my right side, and I will be taking all the plates together, and I'll be pinning them, and also will be pinning through my niqab. Now I'll be pinning another pin over upper area of my right hand side here on the head, so that everything is secure. As I repeat, I don't want anything to go here and there, and I be uncomfortable throughout, that if I am looking fine or not. Everything should be super secure, that nothing moves at all. So now, as you can see, as I told you guys, I will be taking this border slightly at the back because I thought it was looking much better at the back. So yeah, that is how we are done with the first style. I hope you guys understood, and I hope you guys liked it. You can see it's all covered, my hair are all covered, and I absolutely loved it. So I took a colored cap because I also like using black caps, but I also like using colored cap for a little pop, a little, if you want to give more style. So I absolutely loved it. You see my eye makeup, there's a tutorial coming up on this makeup. This is your favorite makeup that you guys loved it when I did it, so I thought of filming a full tutorial, and I've done it. You'll see the tutorial very soon. Absolutely love it. You can see from the back as well, the border looks really pretty of my scarf. Everything looks fine. Here is a little front footage for you guys. Please ignore all the mess. It is just a very easy, it's just a very not fancy at all, very normal footage for you guys to see and have a better look of how the style looks. Now we are stepping towards the second style. Now this will be done using same net cap or any normal cap if you want to, but we won't be using this niqab. We'll be using a different niqab. Now since I have to cover my face, I have put this on, but you'll see me wearing the other niqab, that the one which we actually have to use later on, but I have to cover my face, like duh. So we are doing the same thing. From the scarf on the right side will be pinned towards the left shoulder to cover all of the front body. Then as you can see, I'm pinning it from inside, so everything is nice and secure and doesn't seem like a safety pin on top. So it's all done, secured, and now this time we won't be folding the scarf from the forehead. We will be tying it very casual, very easily, just turning from both the sides, and we'll just wrap it around like we do for a normal scarf. Again, it's your preference where you need to keep the border, so please wrap it according to that, where you want your border to lie. So my scarf, my niqab, everything is dirty because I was filming the makeup look tutorial, as I said, so it's all dirty. So please don't judge me. I don't go out like this. This is just for the sake of the video, and I had no time. I had to film all the videos all together. So yeah, so I'm now taking the pin. I folded it all over. I'm pinning it here. As you see, in the previous look I kept the border a little lifted up. Now this time I have let it go a little down, if you can see or tell. Make sure you make a nice point just in the center of your eyebrows. That looks absolutely really chic. So the second pin to secure everything together, and I'm just showing you guys the pin. I like to use this size. I absolutely love this size. Now I'm showing you guys the niqab that we actually have to wear. Now keep in mind that you're only wearing a cap and a scarf. You don't have the niqab on already. This is just, as I cannot show the face, I have to cover it. So this is a very normal niqab. This is single ones with rubbers on the side, and just secure it. The rope is there, so just tie it at the back, and now I'm adjusting it. So since the start, you need to keep in mind that I was just wearing you just need to wear a lace cap and a scarf, not the niqab that I was wearing. This is the actual niqab for the look, and this is how the look turned out. Now if you remember, if you've seen my Instagram and Snapchat stories, I recently went to Vadhariya town last month, so I was wearing this entire look with the glasses, with these eye makeup, and you guys loved it, so I created the eye makeup for you in a tutorial, and I recreated the entire look. Now I wear both of these looks, both of these styles very often, these hijab styles, and I absolutely love them. So you guys loved this one so much. You gave me so much love and such nice messages and all of that support on this, so I created the tutorial. I created the scarf and hijab tutorial as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. I know this was a little a little difficult to understand because I was already wearing a niqab, but I hope it is clear. I tried my best to do it. So you just have to imagine that I'm just wearing a lace cap and a scarf. After tying the scarf, I wear the niqab on top of it. Now since I had to cover the face, I had to wear a niqab before, so that is the reason. I hope this was clear and you guys can easily understand what I did. Now if you're not a niqabi, you can just wear the cap and you can just tie the scarf like that. Now you can see everything is covered. This look is sillied. Please ignore my niqab and everything. It's super dirty because I was filming a makeup tutorial. Okay, so since I already have a niqab in I am wearing actually two niqabs, so it was a little difficult. So I just kept on adjusting everything. This is the look from the back, and I tried my best so that everything's clear, and the look turned out exactly that you guys saw and exactly what I wanted. So here is the footage. You can see I love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful, and everything is clear. You can always ask me whatever queries and questions you have in the comments or in the DMs of my Instagram, any way you want to. So yeah, I tried my best to explain it. I absolutely love this entire look. Ooh, wow. So that is it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. And these were the 2 looks that we did for today. More looks coming soon your way. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell, like, comment, share. That is it. Catch you guys later. Bye bye.